One of our guys go postal or what?
If we find him, ask him yourself.
Walken, there's nothing but tour buses up here. Not a single pointy nose.
He's got to be up here. Fahrenheit, at 340. How many trails do you see?
4. Oh shit, 5. Well spotted.
Tally ho. Start with contact and find out what his mission is. I'll radio for orders.
Hey baby, hiding in the shadows?
Chaco 22 to Mirage. Request ID.
Chaco 21 to Riesling.
Mirage located up heading 110 level 380 below an A340. Awaiting orders.
Chaco 21, hold position.
Chaco 22 to Mirage, I repeat, what is your mission?
Riesling to Chaco 21, control unidentified jet.
What does control mean?
It means improvise.
Oh, all right.
Chaco 22 to Mirage. Request you follow me.
The jerk just gave me the finger.
I lost him.
He's tailing me. He's tailing me.
Chill, Fahrenheit. I've got you covered. Chaco 22 tailed by hostile Mirage. Permission to fire a warning shot?
Negative, maintain control.
Walken, this guy's not bluffing. Get this mosquito off my ass!
Chaco 21 to Riesling. Request permission to open fire.
Stand by, Chaco 21.
He's gonna fire! Decoys away!
Chaco 21 to Riesling. I'm going to engage.
Master Control, abort mission.
Screw it, Mandarin! This jerk's gonna shoot me down!
Mandarin, repeat.